Okay, we're in the basement and there are a lot of wires. This looks scary. Hey y'all, so I'm excited to get home and see the progress. I've worked 4 days in a row at the hospital. I just picked up the boys from daycare, so I haven't got to see any of the progress. So I'm really excited to get home and see what James has been working on. He took off this entire week of work to get all of the electric done, and he took off the entire next week of work to do all of the plumbing. So it's Thursday currently, so he's been working on the electric since Sunday, and I haven't got to see any of it, but he's got a lot done, so I'm really proud of him. He's been working his butt off, and I can't wait to show you guys, and for me myself, to see all the progress that he's made. All right, we're home. I got both boys with me. We're all bundled up because it's crazy pants. You're crazy. It's only 32 degrees outside. No, actually, that's a lie. It's 37 degrees outside. So it's cold, so we're gonna go over and see what James is doing. Okay, so the progress on the outside of the house is this board that goes along all the trusses. That wasn't there the last time I was here. That one. So that's on the house. Okay, we're in the basement and there are a lot of wires. This looks scary. Eli, what are you doing? Playing with Pappy? Okay, so, James, that looks really good. Do you understand what all of that is?
Not really, no.
Not really? There it is, okay. Now, up here on the ceiling, you can see where James ran a lot of wires. In the ceiling here. All those wires that go all along the basement. There's wire all over this place. That's a lot of wire down here, isn't it, Donald Duck? Yep.
Yep.
James, is putting in electric make you stressed?
It's a lot of work.
Your headlamp is shining at me. Well, it's hard to see because it's dark, but there is a lot of progress in the house. A lot. I'll take you back upstairs so you can see what's going on up there. In the foyer here, they put in all these studs for the steps, so we can put that wall in eventually. And then there's just wire and outlets everywhere. Wire here, going into the kitchen, there's an outlet, more wires. Lots going around. They also got this put in. This is gonna be the bar in the kitchen. And this bar is gonna be all stone, just like the fireplace is gonna be.
Yeah. After you got Elias all stirred up? Yeah, I got Elias stirred up.
Bunch of wires here. Outlets. Wires. I like this little makeshift doohickey thing. They put the wire on it so that they can easily unroll it and get what they need. What do you need me to do?
See this 10-gauge wire right there?
The orange wire?
Yep.
Okay.
This is for the electric dryer. Can you push it down that hole?
Yeah.
And do you want the plug right there? I didn't really ask.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh.
Keep going, Eli. Push it down the hole. Good. All right, we pulled it through. Now he's cutting off what we don't need. So then this piece of orange attaches to that. So that's how you drill the hole. And then you run the wire through?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna push through that hole and we're gonna pull up through this hole over here.
Got it. I'll push through. So what we do is James drills the hole Then he runs to the basement, and I take the wire and I push it down for him, and he grabs it and pulls it down and up through whatever hole he wants to elsewhere. So right now we're gonna put it down through the hole here in the wall in the kitchen, and then it comes up near the pantry for the outlet that's inside the pantry. I like that James put an outlet in our pantry so that I can plug in appliances and stuff in the pantry if I need to. I think that'll be nice in the future.
Court, what are you doing there?
I'm putting these wires in for you. James makes it look really easy, but it is not easy. There's like these tiny little spots you gotta shove the wire up in there, and then, oh, it pinches your finger. And then you gotta pull it through. And you have to do hi, you lie.
Cheese. Beep, beep,
Yeah, I hate doing that part. It does pinch your
I know,
fingers.
I don't like doing it either. I find no enjoyment in doing this except for the fact that I know it's saving us thousands of dollars because we don't have to pay an electrician. But I don't like it. I keep boogering my hands up on baby. And it's cold out. Like my nose is cold. It's probably what, 35 degrees right now?
Yeah, we got our kerosene heater going, but it's still pretty chilly.
I'm trying to get the hat on him and I can't. It's hard. It's cold outside. Don't make fun of me. Did I get on? That's right. Hello. So I got both boys with me. We are headed over to see what James is doing with the guys. It didn't get above 30 degrees until noon today, so we've been in the camper a lot. But anyway, we're out and about now. We're going to go see the progress. Here we go. They are putting the purlins up on the roof. There's the purlins. Those long boards. All right, babe, what are you putting in?
Exhaust fan.
In the guest bathroom on the first floor, half bath. Good. That's the electric meter, and this is where they buried the electric wires. Elias, where's Daddy?
Up there.
Is he? There's Daddy. What's he doing?
I'm trying to put these. I think it's the wrong box. I think I need a metal box for this.
Okay, so we've got all these wires here sticking out, and all these wires down the ground need to come up and be put through these little holes in here. And then we got that one coming from the ceiling too. So I'm gonna put all those together for James. Sometimes little holes you gotta put the wire through. Oh, great. Now it's done, and James will wire up all the receptacles. Since it's not dark tonight, I'll show you a little bit more of what has happened as far as the electric goes, because last night the footage that I took, it was pretty dark, so you probably couldn't even see much of it. Anyway, here's some of the electric. So, kitchen, I mean, we've got all of our standard stuff. Our reciprocals for the light switches and outlets. Right in here we got our recessed lighting that James is putting in. It's this new fancy recessed lighting that you'll see later on. All the wiring here, dishwasher outlet, other outlets. James is also putting undermount lights and over the cabinet lights in here. And then of course the mudroom standard stuff, outlets and things, bathroom, same stuff. Let's cut across from here. Lights for the wraparound porch on the outside. Lots of wiring there. Same thing in here. Lots of wiring, and it's just running through all the walls. There's just wire everywhere now. Through the ceiling for the recessed lighting. Wires up here on the ceiling for lights. Wires over there. Wires going through the walls. There's wires everywhere. It's lots of stuff. Woo! Tripping over things. Lots of stuff in here for the laundry room and our master bath. Here is the wire reels that we have going. So it's just kind of a mess. I mean, there's just wires sticking out everywhere and hanging everywhere. But the more I look at it, the more I understand what it is. And obviously James understands what it all is. So I don't know what the difference is between the white wire and the yellow wire. I'll have to ask James that because I do see a lot of different color wires, but I don't know what that's for. So we'll find out.
I'm skating on ice.
Lace, what is that?
Ice.
That is ice. That's probably 3 inches solid of ice. It's pretty cool. He's enjoying it. What are you doing? Did you just fall down? What are you doing? James got 2 does this morning. It's opening day of rifle season. My birthday, November 9th, and we're going back here to see where they are. James pulled both the deer back to the camper, and Eli is back there helping him field dress it. So we're gonna go get some pictures. And I've got Levi with me. Here we go.
Daddy cut the deer.
What did Daddy do?
Daddy cut the deer.
I just fell. I just tripped and twisted my knee and fell. That hurt. Oh, Lord have mercy. What, Eli, what did Daddy do?
Daddy cut the deer.
He cut the deer. Was it so cool to watch Daddy cut the deer?
Yes. There's snakes right there.
That's not snakes, that's the guts.
All right, Elias, you ready to go back and get the tractor so we can hang them?
Go get the tractor.